The term dental bonding can refer to a number of related dental techniques. In general, after a tooth surface has been properly prepared, a white-colored dental filling material is bonded onto the tooth. Dental bonding might be utilized as a way to improve the appearance of a cosmetic defect found on the surface of a tooth, to replace tooth structure that is chipped away or broken, or to repair damage caused by tooth decay. At an extreme, this technique can be used to resurface the entire front side of a tooth so as to improve its cosmetic appearance. As a benefit, when compared with other cosmetic dentistry techniques, dental bonding can be relatively inexpensive and is usually a completed in one visit type dental procedure. Bonding. It is the use of a tooth-colored restorative material that is applied onto the teeth. It can then be polished and shaped to look like the rest of the teeth.